my amiable 2025 UTME JAM students for our mathematics series. SURDS is what we are looking at. We treated indices, looked at logarithms as is recommended in the syllabus. Now, for SURDS, we have been asked to pay key attention to basic SURDS operations. But first, you must know the meaning of a SURD. What are SURDS? SURDS are irregular numbers which has no ending. The roots of irregular of numbers which are not perfect squares. That's simply what SURDS are. So when we have a number which we cannot get its perfect square correctly, then we refer to them as SURDS. That is the expression exists in the SURD form. Therefore, examples of such numbers with endless values are the square root of 2, square root of 3, square root of 5. Okay? But if I say 3 square gives me 9. So the square root of 9 is plus or minus 3. So it's perfect on its own. Okay? It's perfect on its own. So we don't have issues with that. So under addition, the operations that can be carried out on a SURD. Under addition, if the root values are not the same, you cannot add them. We can't add them. So it is important for me to say the square root of 2 plus square root of 3 is equal to the square root of 5. It will be wrong. But if I say square root of, if I say square root of 2 plus square root of 2, it will be correct if I say 2 root 2. That means this is 1 square root of 2 plus another 1 square root of 2. It can give me 2 root 2. Why? Because these values here inside the root are the same. Do you get it now? So, but it will be wrong if the values are different inside the root. So what it means is that I can as well say that, also I can say that 2 root 2 plus 5 root 2 is equal to 7 root 2. Okay? So other operations that we can carry out on a SURD is the operation of multiplication. So meaning I can say the SURD of 6 times the SURD of 4. You can multiply them straight and you get 24 the square root of 24. Or I can also say that I already know the square root of 4, which is 2, because it's a perfect square, times the square root of 6, which I don't know. So my answer will be 2 root 6. SURDS can also perform division operations. The division operation, as you can see here, I can say a SURD, a square root of a divided by square root of b. So I can say simplify the square root of 32 and divided by square root of 8, which will give me 32 divided by 8 under the square root. This will cancel this. That will give me square root of 4, which on its own is a perfect square. The answer will be what? 2, plus or minus 2. Do you get me now? So that is what I am talking about when I refer to operations in a SURD. Meet me at the next video where we shall be looking at rationalization and conjugation of SURD expressions. I will be looking at this classwork here for an example. We'll be treating this classwork here. Okay? So when we treat this, we'll come back to simplify it and tell us what the answers are.